Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon, Alibaba and AliExpress. So if you need any product, just visit these websites. Let's see the tools we've got here. This is a small printer you can use for printing your documents using your mobile phone. We've got this folding basket. This is a small organizer you can use for your stuff at home. We've got these plastic chairs, they're really cool. We've got this plastic organizer you can use for your shoes. We've got this shoes dryer. This is a small folding washing machine. We've got this organizer you can use for your socks, and we've got this foam you can use for cleaning your sneakers. We've got this electric tool you can use for heating water. We've got this box you can use for your stuff. You can also use it for your mobile phone. There's a holder. We've got this beautiful clock. This is a hair dryer, and we've got these buckets. We've got this foam you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got this rack you can use for these dispensers in your bathroom. We've got this trash bin. We've got this triangle mop you can use for the ceiling. You can also use it for the floor. This is an electric valve you can use for your heels. We've got this cooker you can use for cooking food. You can also use it for fish or seafood. This is another beautiful apartment. We've got this dispenser you can use for storing cereals. We've got this tool. This is a small cleaner you can use for the corners. It's really helpful. We've got this dustbin and this. We've got this folding bucket you can use for mopping the floor, and we've got this mop. It's a folding mop you can use for the corners. It makes the task easier. We've got this rack you can use for dispensers. We've got this hair dryer. This is a small box you can use for maybe cereals or dry fruits. We've got this box you can use for masks. We've got this tool you can use for making an omelette. We've got this extension cord. We've got these items you can use for your toilet, your products you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got this router. It's a router holder. We've got this shoes dryer. We've got this small cleaner you can use